So when we see that there are two functions composed together, notice we have f of g of x right here. So this function h is a composite of two functions, and we want to go backward and find the original functions that led to this. And there's more than one answer. They've listed one down here. I'm actually going to show you how to get a different answer. Let's see if this will let me write on it. Yeah, it does. Good. So when f and g were composed together, it made this new function h. And this is what h looks like. But I'm going to rewrite h a little bit. Let's notice that really I could change h into 1 over x to the fourth. Because notice that if I raise 1 to the fourth, it's still 1. And so I can just pull it out like this. Having done that, I think I did a video over how to take these backwards if you had something in parentheses to a power. And what you do is you allow g to be whatever is in parentheses. So we have a 1 over x. And then f is the function that we get if we replace the entire set of parentheses with an x. So notice if I replace the entire set of parentheses with an x, we get x to the fourth. So we got two functions now, and we can always check and make sure that when we compose them together, they give us this right here. All right, so let's just check. F composed with g. I know my writing kind of sucks here. So remember, when we were doing these, we took f, which is x to the fourth, and we put parentheses, put parentheses where the x is. See if it'll let me erase that. Yeah, there we go. All right, and then we plopped g into the parentheses. And of course, if I use my law of exponents, 1 to the fourth is 1. And x to the fourth is x to the fourth. So notice that these two, when we compose them together, do give us that function right there. This is one solution. You'll notice it's different than, let me get out of that. Whoops, I didn't mean for it to disappear. It is different than that solution. It's actually this reversed. So it's good to know that there are more than one solutions, but the easiest way to think about it is to change that. Oh, it came back. Good. Well, goodness gracious. Easiest way to think about it is to change that into a power, and I seem to have lost it. Change it into, there it is. Change it into something that is raised to a power, and then we can use that rule that I used, I believe, in a previous video. If not, it is here.